Hey everybody, welcome back, Bearded ATVers. Thanks to Torqued Motorsports for lending this nice Maverick X3 DS model. We're inside the wonderful garage right now because it's kind of dark outside. Yesterday we took this wonderful machine out and we put it through its paces. Put almost 200 kilometers on between Chris and I. If you watch my last review from the 2024 model, which was the white and gold one that I had from Can-Am, it's more or less the same. Bigger difference is they went with their new Can-Am tires. They're a half decent tire. They're overinflated right out of the gate. If it was me, I'd be lowering the tire pressure down. The suspension was set a little softer this time, so it was much smoother at lower speeds. Still clunks here and there, but I mean, you got such big giant travel suspension, and it is what it is. My daughter absolutely loved it. She didn't like getting muddy at first. She loved the power out of it though. You cut to some footage and you'll see what I mean. It just goes, and it's so much fun. If you've ever wondered if 130 horsepower is enough versus the 210 model that's out, put it this way. If you have a 210 horsepower machine, everything kind of seems a little bit easy. Not that difficult to drive. Well, it's not that it's not difficult. The power makes it a little bit more challenging. But when you can keep up with people with more power than you and outrun them because you have less, because you know how to drive and you push it to its limits instead of being barely on the throttle, to me, it's way more fun being maxed out. The only thing I would change for this specific DS model: fender flares, windshield, bottom doors. Absolute bare minimum this thing needs. Half windshield, full windshield, don't care. Oh, and roof, I guess roof too. Roof's not that big of a deal though. Honestly, come take it from somebody who had no roof. It's not the end of the world. But definitely at least a half, fender flares. And I don't mean ones that stick out like 6 to 8 inches out. Just enough to stop it from flinging all over you, because the smallest trail will just completely cover you in mud. Is what it is. Not the end of the world. Just at least you're aware of it. So on that note, remember, if you're interested in this beautiful blue and orange Maverick X3 DS, go check out our friends over at Torqued Motorsports in Moncton, or any of the other Torqued Motorsport dealerships across New Brunswick. I personally have great experience there. I've never really had any troubles. I know some people do, but I mean, take it as it is. People have trouble going to a Honda dealership too. It's all a matter of nothing's perfect anymore. But who services you and takes care of you at the dealership matters the most. So as long as they're willing to take care of you and work with you, that's really where it's at, boys. Also, I tried a different camera. This is my DSLR camera here that we're taking this video with. Let me know what you think of the thoughts for the quality on this. It only shoots in 1080p, so I'm kind of curious. But yeah, let me know. What do you guys want to see next? I've heard a few people say Defender they want me to try out next, so we'll see if we can get that on the line. See you guys later. Thanks again, Torqued Motorsports in Moncton.